Adom 106.3 FM. Now, over the weekend, the multimedia group the Asedasron come on trade yampon. Joining me on Facebook this year. Joining me on Facebook this year. And I say, what is it? Multimedia. Yakoye 25th anniversary Thanksgiving service. Now on share videos Nibia. Joining me on Facebook. Now fe kwashadia ekwoso. Ewo Action Chapel. Na efe. Na efe. Akoma nyina kabom. E dey aseda soronko. Akoma trade yampon. Eti ana pay ma memfa sa kwan so na fei. Memfa aseda soronko. Enfama Papa Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, General Overseer, Action Faith Chapel. Now joining me on Facebook. Now the multimedia choir. Nyamiaduma yetimi kwaso mic ni ma chese. Ya pray minimum fine. Joining me on Facebook. Joining me on Facebook. Enti CJ wodi kwa anu animu no. Aso dem ho ebutui. Osonia asasi tu minina. Ninina sanisa. Enti ne ekoso. Tu minina yanitia. 25th anniversary Thanksgiving service. Ewo Action Chapel. Multimedia choir, the music director George Adu Jr. George Adu Jr. George Michiao, superb job. Corey Hazard and Nsem Ketwa. I'm for you. Hey, Kobe Stone. As I would do, you know, our annual prayer and Thanksgiving praise feast, you know. Yes, I'm getting you be mommy. You be mommy. Enfant Nanko Ponce. First big, you know, infant Dwaso. It's very important. Eti o share on live Facebook. Miami Katie. Yenya Katie. Request it. Na dan papa no hoya me ho. Katie. The multimedia group, Jumemu Empany for Ura Kwesi Chum Edayano. Uraken and San Nana Elegba Abdullah Awudu, my boss Abu Empany phone nyina. The boss Joshua Tigo, Ora AC or Hene. Yamin show Bibia. Asade ADB. David Techimenson, I say good morning to you, CJ. Good morning to you, David. And I say Esther Okan say good morning to you all. Michael Asare Labi, I say you do all multimedia. Ayiko. It's been 25 years and we owe God gratitude. Yadi Nyankopon Naseka. I said, and I did my trade and point Yankopon. Set coffee a yim tete, I say lovely Frank appear, I say, hey CJ, I say, I CJ no.
No, I deja put for Asum Jing, Navini, and I bet you so. Maybe I said that they are for you to us, said Jamaica. Mawana, what you want, you know, Demoka Senya me.
Mimi, I'm a white handkerchief, no, Academia. Senya me, face down white.
Jamaica was out there from
Emmanuel Aqua, CJ, I know what you can do. Oh, really? That's what you mean. Many of us have some partners. Every man on also Saipa. As of any. I can't because we are for it.
Now praises said the Tibia or see it to me, sir.
Let's see you
or said the Tibia. You are 05 Rasta man. My name is a Rasta for the Anyway, are you 05? I mean, congratulations.
Yes.
Wa boy juma
Papa. Na abrante we there. Ono
Mamfa na juma ndi agro.
No.
Apart from we no munsa juma
you know
so.
the passion.
Oh what then?
What's apart from there?
Oh we no. I'm say the juma there A1 but and what you there there obey yasha boniface
But Kwesi Memendano.
Yeah.
The atmosphere was just right for Thanksgiving.
It was something.
And I said, Nyankopon any in fact, joining on Facebook near Memendano a course so our Action Chapel Springtex. The multimedia group. Yenina Kaboom, Eddie said that 25th anniversary, 25 years.
Yeah, 25
in
years.
the life of an institution.
In the life of an institution.
Charlie. It's no mere an achievement. Nah, some of us, Abra, Jumaisha, and baby, I war. Yeah. Nah, die so said Dachi B. And go point out. We never even dreamt.
Yes,
but today we are here.
Sure.
And we are part of this great history. And we give glory to God. Kwesi.
Indeed, and easy. And Jumera so to Mose, Yakopon Sawan so. Papa. Because the mere fact is Christ at work.
Yeah.
Hey, wow.
Yeah. Wow. Christ at work.
Christ at work.
And
I guess at the center of it, a year ready. And Untina owns from afar enjoying multimedia, Bettina multimedia. Yes, say that yes. You see, storms in our by, but because Christ at work, we are there for criminal, a year ready.
But Abra, even through COVID.
Yeah.
Na business is A4D up. Na in certain media organizations where you
exactly.
Na ye link of off. Na ebi was salary crime all through the year 2020. Not even Busumi Bako cry the castle Nedie. Busum we there. Salary no amba ekem. No. Ignorance na go pony edini. Papa na yembo ora kwatutuma baso. Sure. Nyankopon wonhyira no. Meme nim so otonwom but meme nda no ne oye ho no me hu dwire me kakra.
Na o say
meme nda no.
Obase e kan.
Keti.
Obase e kan no ka ho. And Vandaza o say you be pon ani akani edwane. Anya easy.
But e wi nsu edidi.
I don't dare. In fact, can't get to see you are 05. Oh, say you be out. Now,
Sir, na your car park.
Yeah.
And
yeah, prepare for it.
And
the DD come on. No, my bone.
Oh, no, me wanna when Tigo Fiasan.
Yeah, go Fiasan.
Black Eye Beto and so
exactly sure.
And then the Enante call inside.
The back on the uniform. Oh no, I
but you
the hotel in chair. And I'm crying promises and say what bay. You will test be a person in the film to be sure, say.
And then test no.
Oh, why I wear to be sure, say, be at here for
a delay. Or say CJ has always been has been good since starting from Biak FM through to Pink FM, Accra FM, and now to the mother of all stations, Adom FM. Jenyame, a delay. Charlie. When you knew, I did not share myself. Anyway, thank you very much. But Kwesi, you see, Tiabetiano, Nandi channel. I think, sir, Emredra, as I say, in command a fact COVID-19. You're taking a notch higher.
Exactly.
Yes, I'm trying for the idea you bet to me. But I said, in maybe back one. A bit me, my home because cases, a cost room.
Yeah.
But see, cases in a cost room. Now, my son, beside said, near man, nana, Sabreno. March, April, May, June, July last year.
Yeah.
Niema no anda ye. En sa hohoro. Sabreno obi ben kra na we am
so. Yeah.
But emo ba bi na fe ye be to bibia gui.
Exactly.
Ye jai bibia
ye jai.
And then say how many shops and offices na wo wura mu a
the baka section
Veronica bucket tissue sanitizer
asamo
and then mo frani ko school kwasi
amo ko school
na me hunahuna awofo but me yam hihye me yam hihye because I am a parent,
of course. CJ eno mampani kasaye na me wasem kakra sebe openi kasa nanka eno anu no, but it doesn't mean say penny wo abusuam na oka bibi na wo yakola na wo disagree a ontumi nka ye nka penny anim wo bedwam but eno nche so say akola ye be kana asem ashenimu na be kana asem ashenebo.
There is a Nigerian proverb.
Yeah.
If the wise men in the village refuse to advise the youth, the idiots will.
Exactly. Me that's a pa. What can I say? The answer we be a mama me or say me kasa. You see, CJ, and me be say me kasa fa the African politician. Pretty simple. O man penny kasa nura fantastic. Ye fi baby and I be do baby. COVID bar on my yimu ye recorded 2 cases.
12 March.
And
2020.
Exactly. And on my penny started measures. Ya de to akwemu and update na eba and a Ghana for munye say Ministry of Information kan ketsi kojo upon chroma. The COVID update. Ne ba no parody no mo beka say 2 years. Basije in the run up to the election the very people now no mu 2 years eka se Ghana for munye say
no matter
mundim rano
no matter
what happened
no matter
and until I make us an embekasa from the African politician
no matter
they be benefiting
no matter
one will say obie kwemu say yem konkwa
ya to abana wi
exactly
ya to abana wi
but at the time I yenya to aba if it 12 March ne there no mo boy koko and a Ghana for munye say you
ye busi campaign ni mo afa health work
exactly
peace man
say ye biem
jogging
unim de ntia because and no benefiting
whistle stop
eti munye say
whistle stop
ni ye huri fly away Peter ni ye kwa mampani ankasa His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo oko campaigner eya hwem crofo mu be hia no whether social distancing eya dia omo observe whether nose mask e bi hye omo ana at the time o mampani gina simpie so no ye monto aban mame no there was not even a single day o mampani His Excellency Nana Addo ka say hey and a kind of former bar piece to say there be
me ba hey ni say the nipa no aba piece no there be way there
and the COVID beba mejai wanye bida he campaigned the opposition leader former President Mahama. I was expecting say obi a wo pa konwa sen abeti wodu ba bia nkrofo abo apeso no wo say hey meti president pen mesia abeti enti Ghana for mesremo committee campaign mejai omo ye bi
bien hon ma wo hunu sa sabi nyansa no
omo ye bi
bien ho
information minister kojo bien ho no ma ye all the update and na COVID na say I'm not any campaign and Crawford Bopeso went to me and Bosumbo say mina me information minister me mamo update
you know meba I mean bisa simbi COVID iba sa wote COVID-19 tracker wote meba wote COVID-19 tracker
CJ message
somebody me kai bo
asem na go fabe ye launch ye bon huka. But you see, a do be a politician no a be benefiting in idea. Ni refi say ya real system. Now ya to a bury. Or when you are bomb so say, hey,
and Jaffe na praise for you.
Of course, ya to a bury you.
And Jaffe praise for you.
Ya to a banny dear. Yan can say police for enforcing. But ya to a bury you.
No, but me back question, maybe so. What do police checkpoint? My police for no and who say, what trotro ni. ma mo nhyɛ mask ni nyina obi ensi fam
CJ
obi ensi fam
at the time
na ma mo nhyɛ mask no kwa mo nkɔ as a deterrent
CJ at the time omampani easy restrictions no obekaya not the number of persons ayefa ewo public transport yet so me because of social distance
yet so
cars are na so supporters no edi omoko campaign grounds you observe social distance wo
ebi anfo a tipper truck and a trailer ankonya accident ankohwe mo
you observe social distance what are we talking about ya ho awie afeni e betra abeye se wona ye observe at the time na benefit no na wonim se bibi wo your friend social distance nose mask. Let us stop this in this country.
Kwazi
I didn't hear you sa CJ ena no awomache meba me hu nkola mienu oba baako oni ni nua be maketwa waso ne nsa a cheso munam kwan ho adenta ho baabi initially nan kan pese me mo lift na msi debi we ase aye hu lift wo kwa micro bi ba dwen se wo be kidnapping kolai because against okra ni nua ketwa nsa omunyina hye nose mask walking that distance ekopeka ako school na me bisa me ho se akola ketwa yi nose mask hye no no nam former by the time obekwa akodu trotro station afa trotro na enfifre ate no nose mask yi afọ egusu ebehye no or the befa trotro ako school nose mask na afọ no ohome okodu school wasia hye the number of hours obedi wo school. Can you imagine that that little boy behye nose mask sa and then ya dey ya with all due respect to omampani nsem obekan na we biem CJ I'm one person and I mean supported that say omampani be bie school anka yem bie fin kola enko simpany for. I'm one person I don't support it.
Because my main kind saw Facebook posting.
Oh dear kind.
Me amini penning said Kwame Boateng.
I kind.
And what do we have to Facebook? Say just this morning I saw a number of primary school and SHS students going to school. I was shocked to see some without face mask. I stopped to ask and the response was, it is in my bag. Some primary school peoples I saw were holding the mask and were playing with the inner side. May God save this country.
Of course. May God save this country. And are we saying, say, Sakolana, said Kwame Boateng, who any dear Miss Me who are dentano, and the police for in enforcing it on Betty Sakolana.
Sene and a pewuja ubakwine free fee.
Some school.
What the mask and a channel. Bye bye. What next school basim or call. Saba Frano. O 2.9 you don't obey mask on free. At watching the crowd, obey school no kana mask on any day. And Shano
because mask and you're comfortable. And Shano in the first place. And you're comfortable. And I'm calling kitchen. No behind a mask to me whom you. I was here again. And until some of the schools, I must see a motor humidifier at the classroom. Said a bay and colony, but man say nose mask because nose mask. Wow, we are penny cry nose mask. No, and so what is saying. Now, kola when you're 5 years, a kola when you're 6 years, or best nose mask for number of hours. What are we talking about? Please, your best rare of penny. The destiny of this country, yeah, dear man. Or swear to protect every single citizen in this country. A canny oath. And we ye we now one kasa who boom ranaso because we ye campaign. No why ye campaign a we to a bama. I feel near Ben Force. Abba.
Me penny be. Now, when you say me there, but many you close pa.
Yeah.
Or you be an same will be or mammy and sa. Now, the penny no muno. Or university, or by 27 years. I only made income. Last week, my friend Madame Fono, I mean, or so no hold on a crack, no home fano. Now, Abeko Hospital, ain't Yawadano, and a call hospital. Wednesday, no around a Riabe 1, and an abandoned friend catch me say, you're the call hospital. Because see, Thursday. Me wa rehearsal multimedia rehearsal yakono atimota new station honum studio bi honum Kate Kojeman on e rehearsal me honum the band friend me say poppy free. Na omodene call ya no mo test no na COVID. See, in less than 11 hours. As at the time, me information on Wednesday, any Thursday we are no ne ba ne frame no na pa no. Oko.
CJ. Oh, asem na no waka no.
See, yeah, this is the virus we are talking about too.
CJ me say ene. Yes, subjecting all the supporters party chita for now. Campaign em no mo bopis on yen test you. And ki be hu the real number of cases and one my imo. We are not testing. I'm telling you. Just like that. And abofrai nanka ne papa no university be ya nanka koye ne masters. Papa no a oba sponsor abofra no amana koye ne masters no. Ona COVID akunu no. Sijoko. Sanity. Eye yana menti ase. Musem come on anafi omo de blame beto media and media is supposed to educate and media is
nobody media no kwade mo bia fam ha not Adom FM not Adom FM not Dwaso Nsem because not even one day and maba dwumadi enso a yanga COVID ho yanka COVID ho asem anapabia we talk about it ni esesa wo ye protocol says we still do it. Yeah. Media, nobody can bring that blame here. Obian no bit me blame media.
And
Yasuna ding.
Adibakwa e twayem na yayam hihie allegedly. Any sa cases na obi koye tester. Positive, not ye change but negative. Allegedly, they say we call social media. It's all over. Man for Kikaso more the evidence. What evidence be indeed? Fabra. Yes, they say yeah, Joe 500 Ghana. Allegedly, near change or results from positive to negative at the amount. If indeed a no cry. If indeed a no cry.
And then
I didn't know was here, yes, sir. So be a tested positive. And what say ye didn't quire sabia no more shining 120 year no because ye pese ye painty picture no enti near to negative. Why enti for once ye to mean dino cray and chay
ye frunti
ye to mean dino cray in the name of 500 Ghana
ye frunti
ye to mean dino
frunti I mean 88 ya ye frunti
I know Mampenika Samuel CJ. And I was thinking
the fact says sa new strain here ye kan wasani. One more free amano neba. And can one more ye adwuma in enclosed spaces. One more no transmit it.
CJ. And no Mampenika.
Let me tell you something. We are more kasa.
Sure.
You better blame politicians, you know. Yeah. We can blame them all we can. Yeah. But see the blame so come politician no. Yeah. Because we will expect the politician to come and put a mask on our face. Our destinies are in our own hands, Kofi.
Yes.
Because I swear to you.
But wouldn't the entire blame no? Yeah, the politicians. Because powers in a chrome. And no man penika say lockdown obian shefi obia be shefi obia ni wo be pie what camera you call lockdown na a room aye empty. Why? Because the president has spoken. And then no man penika yem fanya adwuma okroma ye de be ye adwuma. But one CJ if free bibi walk the talk wo ka say CJ ye say no a wo ye penny we adwuma mu ye expect say wo penny no so Sam Rana was CJ Fasono, also be diso near Husampa. But one country CJ says CJ won't want their nose mask. Now, Katie Beba, now Justigo, a buy on Shebi. Now, hey, CJ, then I won't say, abroad won't Shebi. That is not it. And to your best room, and I no pay. That is right there. Emma or politicians, leadership by example. maybe I'm so disappointed at the time I know my campaign the course as they say, you know, I'm so my yes and see you there kwa man so bra.
Adom 106.3 FM mame enko ahomane so na mene Dr. Dennis Edu JC Okasa dema Ghana Association of Medical Laboratory Scientists mene no entwetwe enkomo press release a womo ede abeto abonte mene no entwetwe enkomo doc what mean ka. Hello doc. Hello. Yeah, doc what mean ka.
Baja mitonga pa.
Me mo afisha pa.
Afen comment sir.
Yede nyame ase. Se bibia abokode.
Yes, Adom. Media.
Ansa na yebeba mo press release no so kra no. Me bua me kakra. Mo makoye medical laboratory scientist. Bua me explanation kakra. Se ye ka se virus bi enya new strain a. Exercing.
Yo. The charity for any lab before with this pandemic, right from time I even be Ghana from March 12, 2020. These frontliners are to the risk of their life, and that is a professional calling. Much Ghana for lab for now. Yeah, strain, so strain of a virus. It's a virus, you know.
Mm-hmm.
For now, coronavirus, I can't watch them, you know. Your idea be a virus and a spike protein. And I say, virus on a picture. Now I say, I think to be a near the spike proteins. Me nearma emaye who say or a virus no I am na ade bi so akata ho I beka say the envelope. Enti said the mean virus no in terms of molecular structure no. In the spike protein no e bia or be du mienu bi na si so. Sa adne treat ya ho no be du mienu. Ana say adne treat ya ho no kra no. Ne tenten no I say matches we matches back wa ebi an tenten no. And or azumi a new strain because the virus is always reproducing. Also all no more no nyeba ni me manhia mu. Ono no ba ko pena no otimi e papai no hu. That is the way they omo sanganya me ma nipa wo sa ke be hu. Enka wa ujina ho na mu apa mienu. Now call 9, now call in watching, now could do me here. And it happens in the very shortest possible time. In the omoya sadiano in arranging their molecular structure and protein development. Over here, no be a PMA or not the spike proteins crowns, maybe if you do me, you know, what you do watching. And I say, you do me, you know, but to say at the same matches, I attend as a chinchinga ban. And I say, acquire shorter than what we know already. And said your body not declare who be no. You say, Uhuna or bar, a foreign substance, into body know the immune system try to fight that particular thing. Into another body no means. Yeah, vaccine, a possible say, Sana, Yasha vaccine no. Yama a boy, I may have a vaccine no. It is a consistent clear bit. Not a quiet at the fufu. Emma Diana, we may say it is a new strain. But the good news is that vaccine you develop for this virus. Sa the Ethiopia home you do me no. You say a brainy as a virus no se sakura a moon siade. A work on a corner name Medubiano et etia.
Okay. If
we use that approach and the develop of vaccine, that's a term we call it the conserved region of the molecular structure and not the producing the proteins. In this ADN the term and then that is where we targeted in producing the vaccine. Yeah, they no a system. That's a system who any other that will follow up, the system will be able to catch it up.
Okay. Doc, internet, bisa so eda COVID no ye hu no Ghana ha 12 March 2020. And it's a new strain, yeah. You can't want to me. So, Trevor and Dantemo. Doc.
And the new, who's a sequence now, Omoyano, sequencing periodically up to November.
Yes.
Sequencing, yeah, no, actually, Tambiano, you talk of homologous, saying that it's seven. You see, I mimic a DNA tester. DNA test of my children, and then ma. Omobehe me moja, me yiri moja, no ma he mamoja. Now, you heard the level of similarity. Saying no DNA, essay, and only a debeka say possibility say akurami yembano, let's say 99%. And the up to November, no, that virus, no, said you see who no. And in the free Wuhan, other countries, no, the similarity was more than 95%.
Okay.
There's a that they say to me who the figure are president the trigger and rano, but it shows say and sister ye abba the omuhu among the travelers tested positive from November basis brain, but there have not been any suggestion to say and society might cause the vaccines that we have now not to work because there have been no report anywhere. The fear is what they have identified in South Africa. Say, and nonna in society is so much. Say vaccines are a maybe I cannot handle the strain. Then yes, there are some of the strains and the change. For now, COVID started here about 6 to 7 of new strains that are developing. And all of them, the vaccines that have been produced, is known that they can handle them. The change has not been so much. The change is such a way, as I say, we are highly infectious, but it's not lethal. Say, nipa don't want to mean and term essay first, but say, the virus has not assumed that stature, and that is why we hope and pray, say, we'll be able to arrest them before, say, or we change, straight to the point that we might not be able to chase it again.
Okay.
And it's very synonymous with all flu viruses. And until a flu and Katano, because their change is so rapid, is so swift, and it happens over a short period of time. Say, the change, a drastic and complete overhaul. Then you tend to have a serious pandemic on your hand. Okay. And that is corona as we are dealing with now.
Okay. Doc, on the issue of vaccine, then vaccine, what type of vaccine protein? Ena ye here say ba say ye vaccine bi atum Ghana hanuma ya swahwa ajatuma necessary vaccine be doc
vaccine no be the global health community ajatum na say your mRNA virus vaccines your DNA vaccines and the global community ajatum I started using in other places now I believe we will equally go in for. And some vaccine conspiracies now so omo person omo target 666 some person omo ship population that's in there. Trust me, say we have trials on my with all the vaccines omo use. African population is the least among the group of people who on my trial. And there is no substance in the fact that will be per se or targeted them. And can you omo the trials no? Trials when it comes to COVID-19. Among the white, the thing is working, and now any other who gets the opportunity is likely to pick it up. The mRNA virus, the say, the virus, and the spike proteins, and the molecular structure say the manipulation, read the message now, code in that structure. Nanipa at the spike protein in the air body. And the why a war vaccine who produces RNA treat your corona no homobi, nipodium. Who produces a non-infectious is nothing corona, but we are giving that resemblance and that similarity. Not after nip body infuse DNA because it is foreign, it will now produce an antibody against it. In such a way that unya coronavirus, papa pano or no the body can now quickly arrest it. It's one of the fastest way I had vaccines. But now we are seeing for now, bobo. And they will about body more. Is it going to change your molecular structure? Is it going to change how you approach things? Is it going to really help you? Say now when you see similar viruses who almost said they are part of your system. But this corona has given us a process. in testing the fear that we have had over the period, no, that me vaccine in a quicker time. In the video, cancer buy vaccine, we buy vaccine. This is a known technology, but the fear was, can we use it? And COVID has come to show that it will help us in a quicker manner to get vaccines. The scientific community has done well. And for me, the opportunities here you should be Ghana. God being so good, fight this pandemic in a quicker manner.
Okay.
It's not a bigger problem at all as we see on social media.
Doc, as we speak, COVID cases Ghana, and you know. How did we get here? Because at the point, saying home running, we've managed it well. Africa had to say, the whole world had to say, but now we are recording 297 cases, new cases, according to Ghana Health Service website. And pay Doc, how did we get here?
A two-pronged approach in the ABMA used to say, one, on the side of the law, and two, the responsibility of citizens. And on the side of the law, no, one, we want to say, COVID protocols, no, I would say it was out of a panic, which is acceptable because that's our time situation. Let's deter people and get them to be responsible. Indeed, for me, having a law say you better charge 12,000 Ghana cedis, and I do go jail for 4 years or so, no. It should have been deterring enough for all of us to be responsible. But unfortunately, over a system now, it's not so easy for you to make such an implementation. It has been a call many people have made. Let it have a social orientation. Say, that's a COVID protocol. Offer a social service. And they are there, they all around.
Offer a social service, you know. And they say, Yamu Jumana yet, Titi got them,
excellent.
You know.
Odona alone is enough to handle even mobile COVID protocols around circle. Get them to work. Save the government some money of dredging. But what they are here. And no will be okay to get people work to do than say in a day who could not second nipa ebechi at the court. I call her 12,000 Ghana cedi fine and I do a mukum for 4 years, you know. In a day or two, our prisons will be full and nobody can go further implementing the law. There is something that we have to take a look again because I see say the law enforcers any options in dealing with people who flout that particular law. The other side, no say, the gravity of the situation because COVID said they're not against a matter, said they're not paying for survival, said they Italy suffer and people have relaxed. They say, wow, question mask, you are the odd one, Obiaba who says, that social mask. So we have all at that side relax on these protocols. Institutions, for Veronica Bucket, for boom. Pasemina episode. Bebrena Veronica Bucket is using Ari including So we've all relaxed in one way or the other. Social distancing. But now we've all abused it. People are going back in their normal way. They are packing people. Market dates from places. So we all need to take up that responsibility in our hands because when the situation gets worse, we are the ones likely to suffer. And I think that is the way me who say Amaya Babi agree. And say if all of us can go back and make sure we do the things that we were doing. It wouldn't have been perfect at that time. But I believe that it helped us to hold a situation is never wrong. Say come back to them. Will be respective protocols. Wear your mask, do the social distancing, wash your hands. And let's make sure that we avoid a larger crowd and gathering.
Doc, as parents, and your man go school, and we are quite worried and concerned. So, with the current picture, you Ghana, and then Mofrano kwa eco school. It make a kuma 2 a.m. sir, Doc.
Maka say Yankaya Kuma and 3 a.m. Because trust me, sir, with the exception of going to school, everything has been a normal way of life. But let's be stricter on our measures. And sorry for your CM 2 hours. Let's make sure we all obey that. And but I can tell you that most people are now sending their kids to church. In fact, me and I've seen instances my kids go to church. And for now, you're making sure, say, protocols, or more mask, school or more you're more modern, say the necessary distancing and measures, about a teacher for one more. Now, or more, or need the capacity to handle the class size or mama. The director of education and communicate and let them know how they can help you manage the level of the numbers of students that you have at your place. COVID, them. Trust me, the other day I was asking one of my kids, why not know you're the best friend? First, it will be we would have been a number for in the classmate. And the level of this situation, the progress of the nation will stagger. We need to go to school. We need to start somewhere. When the situation is mounting, I think we can have a way to manage it. Okay. And I assure Ghanaians say, lab before I COVID-19 testing. Adom, to say you will obey 18 facilities.
18 facilities
in advance. 18 facilities.
Okay.
And plans are far advanced. Say 10 to the level. Say most of the regional hospitals will now have a testing facility. Say situation around those places can easily be handled. All testing labs are producing results within 48 hours. And I think, you knew but it is not bad. And the assurance is that when it comes, we'll see a test in real time, quick time, produce results to isolate and manage cases in our schools. Parents should be assured that the lab is now having that capacity.
Okay.
And though we pray more to be added, it will help us in managing the pandemic.
According to my release, apart from almost started testing during the peak of the pandemic, Ewoho, Accra, Kumasi, Takrade, Tamale, Masanso, Enya, other facilities, is that correct, Doc?
Other facilities are Bekahua. Yes, I did a 10 about Bekahua. In fact, 10 of the delay FDA. You cry. It was a gene expert. Maybe a TB machine now. You TB. It's me COVID. And this only man be a crabia, but minimum AU said the Amino say. If you are seeing but BOR or FDA home, we remove. The very moment FDA releases those things, about 10 more facilities are becoming here. We can be talking of 28 to 30 facilities that will be doing COVID-19 testing in Ghana.
Okay. Doc, my now I say be abibi homa de betwa to ana ya fancy ha na
me that say na the can say who say COVID-19 frontline workers. They might be brio na abano bono more than 50% allowance of your basic insurance be or for health workers or more contact tracing so now motivation be or more. Up to now, we are still picking pockets of information. Say, them crop for the brain and some camodie. A could do facility now. We can your front line. So, we get a lot of lamentations.
The issue, sir, debate, why na your frontline worker, why na your frontline, still now in settle yet.
But be that so. We say we're in the facility level because it was the facility authorities that also modified or more COVID. Into a whole more validation on the acquire TS Camon.
Okay.
And we picked reports right from April last year. They bring in San Kirby. And I'm not sure it's only among the lab. Maybe there might be other health workers who have similar complaints. And in this week, students anticipated that they are likely with rising cases. You may hear the testing facilities of the frontline workers. In order not to breed apathy, they are buying them on short to send them out.
Very important.
These are things that shouldn't cause problem for us at all. And only admonishment, must are buying more modern. On set the granting among our personnel members, and conform so that we don't have this as an albatross hanging around our neck. Yeah, but that's the new opportunity at Mudiamaya.
Dr. Dennis Edu JC, PR, Ghana Association of Medical Laboratory Scientists, and I'm in a community. Ebinie. Well, upon the judgment for no mere contact tracing, and once I'm not doctor. There's allowances be as a woman saka since April. Ebinum de mai enti sisi ya new strain unity cases ekwasuri. Roman Peninsula no waka 3 T's. Any idea adwuma. Well, Adom 106.3 FM. Join me on Facebook na fa message bra. Our friend no go school. And then when who kwan ho mo fa no mo nam kwan chen eco school no then when who wo mo hye mask no. Let us know 0556748029 0556748029 Arabia tete one Grace Homeopathic Clinic and I make come for a day amount say yade no abeso so ache na opeso to ase kra Grace Homeopathic Clinic na make come for the amount wo mo nduro e wo mfidie a doctor for ho a munim de wo mbeboa etu yare no ase the amount crack general consulting, laboratory service, general body scan, physiotherapy, dietary counseling ni na no e free inu de bema nkwa na betua ho sika enti hye so na fo ani kire Madina akachi abo last stop wa ho na be hu Grace Homeopathic Clinic na ono omo twetwe nkomo numbers menu so 0500 067 500 na ono omo I live here in Finland. I work in a school and the students do not wear masks, no sanitizer, no social distance, only hand washing and soap. Since the COVID-19 started, school has not closed down here. From John Yeboah. Nese no percent chen say Finland hono omo mask no kro omo nsebi. Ni omo ye ni yie. Ni omo ye eye ni yie pa eye nsahohoro no. Eno omo ye ho ade pa. Eno se no kra mu no. Enya de a omo atutu schools um ewo Finland. Juliana Adey. As you see, we are all at fault. The politicians did not help us during their campaign, but we also stopped talking about it. COVID was a little bit down then. Juliana Adey, so they are or they about Facebook and no Christiana Ama. I say in Europe, children from 5 years is not allowed to use face mask, but if you like, you can ask your child to use it. Or no, so they are or they free Europe, they Abba. And no Ray Nana Benin. So what does okay. So what does that guy want to do about his kids? If he doesn't want the kids to wear the mask, what is his alternative? Or no, so they are or they Abba and no. So as we speak, Mamima global update, global figures. Mamima Kakra. Last updated COVID-19. Last updated, and pay 717. Okay, mami say wama updating for fra. Na me fa figures no emfa ma. We are seeing na say ka say COVID no. Saying and figures no etie betwam foni no akere osisi a. Okay, enti last updated the 717. Okay. Number of cases. We are seeing na number of cases. 95,494,097 coronavirus cases. I am recording. We are seeing 95,494,097. Nipa coronavirus eku the whole world 2,039,918. Enipa over 2 million. And a COVID-19 ekuomo. Question go. Nipa over 2 million. And a COVID-19 ekuomo. Na say okay. It's just say free her. US and SSA will lead US and will lead total cases our US as we speak 24,482,050. That's the total number of cases in the USA. And the pay new cases be my Nipa Mashu Wamunka 407,202. enti se ye kan sa enye se bia ididi agro se ye kan sa enye se bia ye didi agro ene mofra no wo mo ko school na Kwaku
CJ
Boko
Erade Adom Boko so atade ye hwe
am afra ne ko school nti
ehun hia
matare no say den
o atade ne da ha unse we friend grey
Kwaku de
grey color na say baby so eda baby na say Erade premier ni leda won atade mo
be ma she grey a chresen
grey grey the last time I hear him near say grey undecisive and men cancer so in Edward
Kwakwe mama nyine me hu
bibia come na enkwa no kono mo kono nim si ya ade ba kwa ma hu reporters o mo ko rounds ne ade no owufo no no de akora ne kono nhye mask ebi mo de nkra ne kwa omu kodru school anom the mask na ma teacher no madam maniko wono na wodi akra na ba na nkasa won hye mask enu kodru ano the mask na ma teacher ne seje
now Kwaku me bebu asim na me reporters no afiase akasa mesamba hobio mesamba obia but omo join on Facebook is that say baby a reporter ni gina bia no ehun videos ye de be ma wo amofra no so madu school ho Wamo she mask no eti say kwa me kwa no mafa so she mask no ni nyina no ye de be kirew Facebook sisi anti join yen Kwaku amofra no asem ana wo ka sisi ano I am shishi kakra enkenka say your parent say wo hwe sisi asenia yare no etie sisi na me ne asempa kasa na hwe nkomo na ye raise issues you know as parents how ready are we say wo fie ana wadwumam na oba wo school
akoye
in the face of the COVID-19
akoye dia no I to say Santofia no ma ofa na wafamuso ja na wagya isade se ye di COVID e chia ni mbra COVID ye beko eti nkwara na betina fie saa ama COVID akwa na affect o mu future sign it na ye mo makoyi eno so ye ntu o majeje mu dodo a eno betimi amankwa na exposed as compared to say what ifie
me that say
obi so be bisa question bi say akra ne tifie no COVID-19 protocols no sign na nabusuafo ni sidi so e wo fie na akra na hua
me nti wo mo kire no wo ma kire no ma na hunu say na me ko school yi ohoro wonsa tete won tem she mask
obi beka say difference nim essence akra no tifie no onro ne nsa otifie no mask no onhye ne maame nhye ne papa nhye ne wofa nhye ne nana nhye ne nua nhye and all of a sudden you be a school so we are introducing them to a different thing altogether and your person o mada ko nya
ma me chance in feti for domante
wo de chance
na me Rebecca
nantoma
wa ba homa no so me no en chance Becky
yeah
Mache hello Becky utimika
hello
bibi ambako
oh bibi ambako
yere nyame ase anapa me gidi se wa ba pro kakra amofra no enne wa mu ko school e dia na wahunu wo mo mask hyem ebi kura hye wo mo den pa na betimi aboho amane e dia chen na menka che for say videos of Rebecca e de send yen ukọ Adom 106.3 FM ye Facebook se sie ya atifido mantem schools ahodo a enne mofra no wo mo bana fei wo ba sha de tuase ene ne e ka hu bia no to say welcome to Presby JHS. Welcome to Presby JHS. Becky, when you were here for Presby JHS, no?
Yo, no, Damango, Savannah Regional Capital.
No, Damango.
Schools na me team now, Damango, Savannah Regional Capital. I have said.
Okay, boy, I'm on here. And then who?
Yo, meaning I'll be team or Damango, West Gonja, I was Savannah Regional Capital. I have said, dear. nhyehyɛ a ɔmanpanyin na nado dankwa akufado ɛde to dwa sɛ ɔsɛ ɔmoma school for no nose mask ne PPS ebi sanitizer na sɛ sɛ mi na ɛwɔ so mo de si school mu a ɔmo de ɛbɛ ɔhoro ɔmo nsa na asa pepa ɔmo nsa no wobɛpie mu wɔ school dodoɔ no a ebi ni hɔ na no crasam na sɛ wobɛpie mu ɛwɔ junior high schools ni bi nso a dodoɔ na any nose mask ɔmo nso ɔmo bi no ɔmo abobɔ na ɔmo de ahyɛ ɔmo bags mu ne nyinaa ne sɛ ɛnɛ ɛna ɔmo clean ɔmo school ɔmo dɔ ɔmo pra me decide bi no mo na ɔmo sɛ ɔmo mpɛ sɛ mfuturo ɛbɛyɛ nose mask no ɛni nti ɛna ɔmo yi na arahusɛm a ɛwɔ mu no so sɛ ɔmo fifie ɛba ɔmo nam impes ebi obi ne nadamfo obi a ɔne ne ehyia ya kyɛ nti na wafa nipa ne fie na ɔne ne ɛba school na ɔmo nam saa nso a wohu sɛ nose mask ɛhyɛ ɔmo awofoɔ nso a ɔmo
meba Becky ɛtefo ndwa ni mo Facebook na yɛnhwɛ school dan no ankasa ɛnɛ na mmɔfra no wɔn ba bɛhyɛ adehua so abofra ya okura praye sei ne mask ne hyɛ no kotokuo no mu no ɛna okura praye ɛna okuta sanitizer nso ɛm sɛ wedi na obisa ne sanitizer wɔ he ɛna ɔde mask no ahyɛ ne kotokuo mu na wo kyɛ sɛ ɔmo ahu ɔmo ne deɛ sɛ mask no ɛnhyɛ no a na ɛhyɛ ne kotokuo mu
ɛnhyɛ no a ɛhyɛ ne bag mu anaasɛ ɛhyɛ ne bɔtɔ mu nti ɔmo dodoɔ no atake nose mask no ahyehyɛ ɔmo bɔtɔ mu na madi school baako a yɛfrɛ hɔ Japa Junior High School ɛhɔ na schoolfoɔ no ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ate sɛ ɔmanpanyin sɛ ɔmo nkyekyɛ nose mask ne sanitizers ne bi nti ɔmo dodoɔ na ɔmo ba school ɛndɛ ne deɛ ɔmo amfa bi ama ɛsiane sɛ ɔmo nim sɛ ɔmo bɛdi school mu a ɔmo bɛkyekyɛ bi ama ɔmo na Presby Junior High School ɛne primary school hɔnom deɛ nkonnwa kora ɛni classroom hɔnom sɛ anka ɛnnɛ na classes bɛhyɛ ase a ɛne ɛwunya baabi ɛntena ne nyinaa ne sɛ school mu hɔnom no ɔmo yɛ renovation ɛwɔ school mu hɔnom nti bɛpɛ na yɛnyɛ wie renovation no nti teacher ni kora ba a ɔnya baabi ɛntena gye sɛ ɔmo nyinaa ɛgyina no Savannah region the nose mask na kola no enye
bi Becky ba me bisa na say ne me hu no Facebook say there na say nya dia ba bia akoi no we hu no say bia Veronica bucket BC anim ho no ma mofra no du ho a wo mo hohoro wo mo nsa tissue wo ho ne ade wo hu no bibia asa na pai Becky
ni nia bibia bi ene ha say Veronica bucket na wo ba say nsuo kra e wo me ko tu ba ko nsuo pa e wo ho no nsuo no any green very green nti school for no mo si gise teacher for no ba nsa na omo betimi ene me akasa esa nse nsuo ni da mango nti se nsuo ni ho de adampo nsuo e wo se omo sa ebesi school mu ho no mo no eno be kwa kofa asem aba nti e wo se mutimi enante be 4 kilometers anasa 5 kilometers ansa no mo tinya kwasa sa adampo nsuo abesi school mu e de ahoro mo nsa ebi no mo nso obsess sa de a omo be ga nsuo no mu na omo achen ama sanitizers a omanpanyin so betche no wa betche wo school mu ama omo nti omo twen ehwe nim say omo teachers for na say mpanyin for e be do school mu a omo be hu na e wo so mo ye
school sa akwa wo hu no teacher for ho
school baako a mekoye ehon kwa na me hu teacher ni baako eno eye Yagbon Junior High School ehon teacher ni no so kire say ono e wo so ba school because nkwala de wuja ye omo nkwa wo school a wan sha omo de ntokwa ene ensem a emfata nti e wo so no ba school no be hye sania omo be siesie school mu ha nsa nti teacher ni baako pe na me hu e wo school baako mu Yagbon Junior High School e wo Damango
ba me no asene fancy why
yo menya
no asi Rebecca Nantoma eno de amane free Damango de abre
eyasam intino yemfon so a yesa wofo no se as a fie mu no yan seti a good example e be man kwada na timi asua esan so wono nete wosori anopa ne maame nhye bi ne papa nhye bi abusua no obi anhye bi then one day pay expect say akwa no bechi bi esa ye punishment kwada no ke wo se ye de enka ke ye ba be school no na a normal kitingiti bi wa yesesa no e de prep omo ahead of
ya church bebre
wo na wayo
ya church
na obi so wo fi a mask no
me de ene say ma church bebre wo dwumadi yi so
eno wo ho but me ka de wo kire ye na as to see ye de ye adwuma ana ya mfa anya adwuma ho adansede na ye hu no etin we all have a role to play all for no obi betimi aboba ho ban ma wo but enti said the one kase wa bo wa de ho ban and now bambo no ene say e basic chakwa no said ye mask chakwa no said ye social distancing e beka ne ho na nye se bia okoye akwasi mi hu acho te said ye se omo yi etin social distancing na nye adwuma mask nso a omo nhye etidie be pa na ye pese ye ana ye man kwada ne ntena fie kopim sa covid beko etimfie miensa na covid nko ya na nkwada ne tifie ana si e pese omo ko school dia e wo san ye awofo no so ye che nkwada ne se de omo bebo omo ban se de be ye nkwaje nsemo e ye wo ba e ye wo responsibility aban be ye bi teacher be ye bi I was surprised that's man am making so wo bi de ne ba free fie aba wo no she mask no ba ya no the mask na ma teacher wa dan ni ko. What kind of irresponsibility is that? Sure. Waja am a teacher. And kwada tifi amafo ina kwada no mache wo monye no mun ko school ina mo na mo ha adwen do wa wo ba no wontimi hwe no teacher na hwe oba ma. Now baby abeduru no I was see face the reality say ya hwe baby aduru na ye hu ina kwada no su ko school na ye nso ya ntete wo mo kwan on be fa so abo mo ban ti say ye dan nyame teacher for na say ya mo ha wo because I was say omo working hard say ade a omo ko fie nkran ko fie omo parents anche omo no omo be di so unse bibia no when the psychologist din koma wo ye to aso be say 2 weeks gradually na be ye
na your habit.
I think 2 weeks before time because here preparing for na say the essential mask say the social distancing be ye adwuma sa nti e be duru this time no anya hwekwa no onim nani so wonim say the sitie akwara sorry a one na maami kodwum ukodru dwoma un social distancing ho enti sa akwara ne be fie na parents na social mask social distancing ya dwuma efie omuti enkwara bi bobo de bia ebi no manamfo be konom se ebonkro den enkwara asem sa na tie but the end was here tete wo mo sa ba bia duro no we are not in normal times
kwa kumi na say asem no and say dwuma de no nkoma ye die ni nkoma ye die ni ye ndi nkoma fufuro bia enka ho kwasi
sige komika sembi mbese me fafi ho osi nti enkola no enfie miensa na coronavirus nkoya ombeti na fiana perfect ya si emre dania no wadani emre sisa aho ye pe sa contact no dodo coronavirus abekire ye nyansa bi abekire se biase no ese sisa e movie fi bia ko baby nti o se ye tutu ye nyoma ye. What is the use of technology? Obi to meet na Ghana ha ontu ni nansi abrochire dawo ba wasua de a graduate enya ni certificate abrochire certificate on far plane da. What is the use of technology? And next this 21st century your person still la nkola akotena teacher ni anim and I say coronavirus kire ye no e den na asoman ye in the use of technology. Because we need even a bano electricity kura or my must still baby or ho kra can do oye no wabeka se technology obi nim said ye use phone na basu WhatsApp and wabeka technology ye no ebia na ye penny for we are talking about students kola CJ me sure eduku me sure say kola e bet na fie wo ma daddy give me your phone obekona gbamiamia some of the international school no mo gejin kola no via the internet o ma create na Zoom before a coronavirus be ba na Zoom kra e bi nteda yenim de friend Zoom ba coronavirus by Zoom and you see Zoom meeting no bia pa ya da so na we kasa na we hwe we ni ade Adentia because they say ye who say coronavirus at that romantino meetings are ye betresia now we cannot join crowd we have to trediano sebi zoom intino obeto tredia no ye casa and I'll be casa to tredia. What are we doing? Yes, starting prepare because the coronavirus the coronavirus no say 3 years nani yetia and not just kola no mun ko school ana there are other alternative ways and kola betimi asua de enja de chia you putting kola at risk say chinchina ko school say no mask ko school why
no but when you say the issue of nose mask no and Oboba Martin already my message back with Finland on the nose mask issue. Oboba say, good morning. I'm listening to you live from Switzerland. Please, let us not exaggerate the use of face mask by our school children. Here in Switzerland, no child uses face mask to school. To school. They only have to observe cleanliness and social distancing.
I was in Finland.
Switzerland.
Okay. Okay. Cleanliness.
Now, I we see a video of Rebecca at the Sunday yen. Damon go school see moi.
Foot through him.
Wouldn't foot through. And so green now Becca I can't want some sense no other oron sakra. Was a baby fiance in so cleanliness.
Flagstaff House in Fichia Jubilee House. Last me kind me say basic school bi wo ho e din da so e ye Flagstaff House basic school.
Enfutronim
na kwala ni diagro. Flagstaff House basic school. It should have been a model school. You can model school no na was here hweso.
It's fast for no way.
Enfutromu na mo diagro. There be clean.
Oh, your time as soon as there.
I mean,
no to the crowd apart cry.
Oh my. He said say you call there mama fast akwan we suma ye ho yakọ. Alhaji Mustafa Otibuaten.
Oh.
Na sponsor Adom Kasebo pa no pa ya ne nwumre. In fact, he's been one of the biggest clients. Chese meme de minim but news so there. Chuchu mekai adreno obakaya ayoa na chuchu sham unya bubo bi ne de year rough ne ade nipa baby wa me ni nyina minim di onim no nim no
there be na adwuma ye de wa wonim alaji chuchu no nai say
di onim no nim no emwa wo de abo journalist e wo man mu no waya ade sabe wonim say CJ giving on the act of giving oma enyo obi ananim you e ya chede nyame de chew no watimi aye e wo so ka wakoma no watimi aye but e wo so wo ma ho kwan se de be nyame betimi afa so na wakoma na ebi makoma eden but nipa bi mo ho kwan e mo ye nhira e de ma adasa what you say
and he's one of them
make the nano na make us we say can you imagine say time kwasitum 25 years ago onya vision anase onya atenka se opese o ye radio ena nkoya so brache na nkwanya nipa do se na nkomuni adwuma ye te o so ma ho kwan enu bi na alaji chocho ye o ma na ho kwan ma o ye nhira e de man centrofo alaji nyame fa currency ye menene di nkoma
ebusuan nyina enshadin
wonim se na no me wo ho am se na wotwetwe mu se anai ko 2 weeks but me benche me ho am se alaji me tin nka cha na me frɛ no kwaku ehe na mkoda me sa koda ho biu yi wa from me te nka cha papa ne e bon koma no so mi tu kwan abanto de me koba alaji zu ka me koba na e so koba antife enra me ha obi ba sa we no mehu na no kra na ya fa ne say sa Ghana nsem na bi so we started making calls na there a chain hu say no kra ya me fa ne currency wa baby nipa baby wa baby ni na do betimi aya na wa ya dana se na ya gidi se CDT bia no obenya baby partner esanse unwuma ine bedi wachi say ni nwuma na ye nim na dia na ne yebeka se nso hore no watwa na me fa ne currency ye sije
kwagu
ntina ya na yi abranti I was so north, More anymore. Incoming DC. A bet was
so
Miss say,
Kwaku sorry.
Open me say.
Somebody Diana Pa. I am Jenny Milo. Somebody Diana Pa. I am Jenny Milo. It's a said Milo Kwan and Mouse out one day no one here and a pa. Nafe Udia di Juma the Moon. Na a bomb of Franapa. Penny John, but I'm a friend today. And here almost a squash. Say, Opeso says ya Bofrano. Now, when ya Echo Square, a Milo. With Milo, every child is an MVP. With Milo, every child. Kobe Me maestro Suni.
Good morning. We're heavy. Heavy for the man for can.
Let me see. And I know Basso them who are. Then is out here, boy. Everywhere I know.
Me Bible.
What is it? The auto on as auto.
Sir.
Sure.
Home the about me bibia. Until I be me sure that home number.
Oh, I remember that number for I'll be whom you are not. That's it. I was